Alright guys, I want to show you a couple different things. Actually, one of my favorite tools in the whole shop, and that would be right here, the bridge crane. And this bridge crane is set up to roll across the whole shop and to be able to move back and forth and pick something like this up and move it across the whole shop without touching the ground. And it is the greatest thing that I've ever made, actually. And I used to install these all over the country, and this is a tiny little bridge crane for a lot of facilities. You'd never have something this small, but it works out great in this garage. And I can pick something like this up and move it completely across the shop without touching the floor or moving anything around that's on the floor. So, I should have been a little more prepared for this, because I need a little airline, and we'll get it all hooked up so we can move this thing. It's one of the things I haven't finished on this thing is an airline, so I don't have to do this and drag an airline. Oh, ouch. Ouch. But, nice smooth air hoist. What I love about an air hoist compared to an electric one, and now they actually just recently made electric ones with servo motors on them that you can go really slow with. But this is what's so cool about an air hoist, is you can go fast if you want to, or you can go slow. And I can just creep it like this, and then boom, slide that out, and now we're ready to roll this thing across the whole shop. So we made it kind of an obstacle course with the lights that we have here hanging down for the Bridgeport. And you guys asked what this is? That is a camera mount for it, so we can move the camera anywhere we want across the shop as well. So we can hang the camera from that. But now this whole beam rolls across the whole shop. And what I want to do is go up with this guy. Bring that right up. Airmail it over to the other side. That's pretty cool, ain't it? So now, we can just come over here, go and hit the pull max, and look at how tight everything fits in here. It just barely clears the lights. We're going to come over a little further yet. And we're going to bring this over, right over here. Let's mock up this motor. Now, we can mock our motor up right here on our welding bench. And we can make our motor mounts and everything for it now. And figure out where everything's going to be. There we go. Bing, bang, boom! That is my favorite tool in this whole shop right there. Bridge crane for the win. I got about 300 bucks into this thing. Seriously, that's all I have into this. That's it. I got all the stuff as recycled I-beams, recycled everything on it. The hoist is recycled, the I-beams are recycled. The only thing I had to buy was nuts, bolts, some steel plate, some anchors, and that was about it. That is what I'm talking about right there. Badass tools built on a budget. Better yet. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like this video. Click like. Throw me a comment. Let me know what you think. Ring the bell for those notifications when we get a new video. We got lots more coming up, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.